parents, if you are worried about for your kids,
How to get Kalma Dua app? Download it from Google Play Store.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm inviting friends to download Kalma Dua app.
What we learn in this app, you can learn Kalma, Dua, Surah, and more.
Hey, I'm telling you a new feature. You can access the jellyfish and starfish themes. I'm telling you another feature, access to bedtime stories. Don't delay. Download from Google Play Store. Download the Kalma Dua app and your kids start learning. Hey jellyfish, come here. What happened? Jellyfish, introduce yourself to our parents.
I'm Jellyfish Theme. You can access me for your kids learn with fun. Fun learning with